Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So this episode of this cool material right here in my hand, and basically what these are some vacuum food storage containers. If you can see, I got two different sizes right here. One of them is 110 milliliters and the other one is 800 milliliters, which is basically 27 ounce and 38 ounce. So before we talk more about the product, let me actually open up to show you guys what each one looks like first. So we'll probably start with the smaller one first. Alright, so when we first open up, you can see there's a box inside box. Let's take it out. Alright, when we take out the small one right here, this is basically what the package looks like. So they do have the instruction in the back right here to teach you guys how to use it, which I'll show you guys in a second as well. But let's open up this box first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is what it looks like right here. Alright, so when we take out the protective layer, that's what it looks like right there. So they do provide guys a cable that you guys want to use to recharge it. And then see it is a USB cable, so that way it actually makes it a lot more compact to charge it anywhere you want to. So you don't have to use a wall charger, but you can definitely use like a power bank to recharge it. And right here we have the product, so let's take it out. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like. If you guys view the material in here, it's pretty high quality because it is glass. And then on the top part, this is basically what it looks like. So all you guys need to do is press this one button right here to activate it, and it actually starts the auto vacuum option. And you guys want to open up this part right here if you guys want to release the air. Let me actually open up the inside to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once we open up, this is basically what it looks like inside. So it definitely has a really strong suction to keep the air inside, which is pretty cool. That way you can keep your stuff fresh. Right here, they also provide you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to use it and how to maintain it as well. And at the very bottom right here, they do have a silicone mat to prevent it from slipping around when you guys put it onto the table, which is pretty cool. But that is basically what the product looks like right here. So this is a 27 ounce. Let me open the other one as well to show you guys what that looks like as well. Alright, so right here we have the other one. Same thing, there's also a box inside a box. Alright, so this is what it looks like for the other one as well. Very similar. And they also do provide you guys instruction in the back to teach you guys how to use it. When you guys open up, this is what it looks like inside. So same thing. And then once we take off that part right there, that's what it looks like inside. It definitely is a bigger jar. For this one, they also do provide you guys a cable that you guys want to use to recharge it. And it is compact as well, so you can bring it on the go when you guys are traveling to use it to recharge it using a power bank as well. And then right here we have the jar, so let's take it out. Alright, so once we take it out, you guys can see this is basically what it looks like. This one's also made out of glass. And the top part right here is basically the lid. They want to press the button to activate the vacuum option. You guys want to open this part right here to release the air inside. And then you can see right here, this slot right here is basically where you want to plug in the cable or attach the cable on here to charge it. This one also has the anti-slip material on the bottom to prevent it from moving around once you guys put it on a flat surface, which is pretty cool as well. So they also do have the instruction manual to teach you guys how to maintain it and how to use it as well. But definitely the product is super spacious if you can see inside. So when I put it side by side, you can see this is basically what it looks like. So it definitely is much bigger for the big one here than the small one right here. But you can definitely put these in the fridge as well. So if you don't put cold stuff in here, you can definitely do that as well. So if you guys are curious about how long does it take to fully charge the product, it should take you guys roughly around 2 to 3 hours to fully charge it up. And after you guys fully charge the product, it should give you guys up to 3 months of usage on the product. So I'm actually plugging the cable to show you guys how to charge it. So I just want to attach the cable right here on the top. And it is a magnetic cable. And once you guys plug it in, you guys can see that it is charging. There's like a red light in there. So once the product itself is fully charged, that light should either turn off or should change green. But that's basically how you guys charge the product right there. Alright, so the way how you guys use it is by pushing the button right here one time. And then here that turns on. And then if you guys want to push and release the air that comes out, just go like this. And all the air comes out like that, you can see. So definitely pretty easy to use it. So that's basically how you guys use the product inside right here. So you can definitely store a lot of stuff on here. So when you guys first get the product, you definitely want to recharge it first because the battery is probably not fully charged. So let me actually go bring this over to the actual table and put some cereal or something inside right here and show you guys how it works and when actually it works to keep the freshness of the product inside the actual container. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the product. So what we want to do first is to open it up. And then we want to pour the stuff in here. So in this case, I'm going to pour some cereal inside to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, I don't want to add too much. I just want to do a little bit to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys use it. And obviously, if it's your first time using it, you want to wash it. I already washed it. So once you guys have the product inside, you guys want to close up the lid. Make sure it's all the way in. So once we have it in, what you guys want to do next is push the button right here. And just let it do its own thing. It will turn off by itself once it's done. Alright, so it's all done. So you don't have to press it again to turn it off. You can just press it one time and it'll actually do everything for you. Once we open this part right here, there'll be a lot of air that comes out. So just like this. So you hear all that air come out. So that's how you guys use the product right here. Another thing that I want to show you guys that I did not show you guys earlier is the fact that if you guys open it up, If you guys look at the inside right here, you guys actually use this option right here to actually put your measuring spoon if you guys have the small one, which is not included. And if you look at the bottom part right here, the way how to design it, if you guys want to, you can go like this to hold up the lid, which is pretty cool as well. But that is basically what the product looks like and how to use it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test actually probably solve it. You can definitely see that actually does work and it works quite well. Super easy to use. Literally all you need to do is press one button to activate it. And you guys can definitely use it wireless or you can use it wired as well, which is pretty awesome. As long as the product is fully charged, then you can definitely use it wireless. But if it's not fully charged, then definitely use the cable and plug it in and use it while it's being charging as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did the unboxing and testing the actual product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I definitely have to say that it is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to store stuff in like the fridge, your dry stuff like nuts or cereal or like coffee or tea. You can definitely do all of that on here. So that way you can actually keep your product fresher for a longer period of time, which is pretty awesome. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.